Good morning everyone and welcome to Shagib Sarki SST class. Today we will talk about the imaginary lines on globe. Yes, in yesterday's class we studied about the latitudes and the longitudes. We studied that what is the definition of latitude and what is the definition of longitude in a normal way. Today we are going to study these imaginary lines according to their place values. So now let's start, and I hope that you will enjoy the topic and you will follow me. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to like and to subscribe and to press the bell icon so that you could get the coming videos. Okay. Now, imaginary lines on the globe. A globe is a model of the earth. We know, हमने कल बात की थी कि ग्लोब एक अर्थ का मॉडल है जो कि हम क्लास 3 से पढ़ते चले आते हैं और क्लास 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 एंड 12 सब क्लासेस में हमको पढ़ना पड़ता है। फिर हमने उससे आगे की बात की कि ग्लोब पे जो लाइंस हैं, जो ग्रिड है, वो किस तरीके से होता है, क्या लॉन्गिट्यूड है और क्या लैटिट्यूड है। आज हम इससे आगे की एक नए टॉपिक की बात करेंगे कि ग्लोब पे जो लैटिट्यूड्स हैं और जो लॉन्गिट्यूड्स हैं उनकी क्या वैल्यू है और वो किस तरीके से हमारे काम आते हैं। सबसे पहले मान लीजिए कि हम कोई एक बड़ा सा कोई फ्रूट, कोई गोल फ्रूट जैसे कि खरबूजा, तरबूज या सेब खरीद के लाएं और उसको बीच से काट दें। यू लुक एट द डायग्राम। सपोज कीजिए कि ये एक बड़ा सा एक एप्पल है। अब इस एप्पल को हम बीच से काट दें, एक चाकू लें और इसको बीच से काट दें। वैसे काटना पीटना एक बुरी चीज है, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि जिंदगी में काटने पीटने का इस्तेमाल ना करें। मान लीजिए इसको हमने बीच से 2 टुकड़ों में ब्रेक किया। अब ये जो काट है आपकी ये लाइन, सो इट इज दिस इज लाइन इज नोन एज द इक्वेटर, EQU इक्वेटर। इट्स वैल्यू इज 0 डिग्री। तो जब आपने एक सेब को लेकर बीच में से 2 हिस्सों में काट के अलग किया तो उसके 2 भाग हो गए आपके पास। तो जिस जगह से वो कटिंग पॉइंट है वो 0 डिग्री है। इन द सेम वे ग्लोब को अगर बीच के 2 हिस्सों से काट दिया जाए या लाइन से उसको अलग किया जाए तो जो बीच की लाइन है दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्वेटर। इट्स वैल्यू इज 0 डिग्री। अभी 0 से स्टार्ट होगा। 0 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। The line which divides the earth into 2 equal parts is called equator. The first important thing. What is an equator? Equator is an imaginary line found on the globe which cuts the earth into almost 2 equal parts and its value is 0 degree. The upper part and the lower part, there are 2 different parts, part 1 and part 2. As we know very well that this is North Pole and its value is 90 degree north. We will write 90 degree north because it is situated in the north part. And in the bottom we are having another pole which is called South Pole. Its value is 90 degree. S means south. Now this part, this is called northern part. The upper part is known as the northern part and the lower part is called southern part. Here we can call it northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So I will write here hemisphere. And this is called southern hemisphere. The upper part is called the northern hemisphere and the lower part is called the southern. Now 2 more questions we are going to study. What is the northern hemisphere and what is southern hemisphere? When we divide the globe with the help of equator into almost 2 equal parts, then the upper part of the globe is called northern hemisphere and the lower part of the globe is called southern hemisphere. So I will draw it. Now you come to the next point. The parallel lines. The parallel line to the equator like this and this. In the northern hemisphere and these lines in the southern. These are the parallel lines lines to the equator, they are called parallel of the latitudes. Pole and pole. First of all, this equator first, the second one in the north, the third one in the north, the second one in the south, and the third one in the south. This is called Tropic of Cancer. This line is called Tropic of Cancer, and its value is 23.5 degree north because it is situated in the northern hemisphere. And this line is called Arctic Circle. Its value is 66.5 degree north because it is also situated in the northern part. In the same way, when we come in the southern hemisphere, the second line is called Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, and the value is same, 23.5 degree south, not north, because it is situated in the southern part. This line, I will write here, this line, this one is Antarctic Circle, and its value is also the same, Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Its value is 66 degree south. Now we will revise it once again. Equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into almost two equal parts, and its value is 0 degree. It divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. The upper part is called northern hemisphere and the lower part is called southern hemisphere. Then 23.5 degree north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. While the latitude having the place value of 66.5 degree north is called Arctic Circle, and the latitude having the value of 66.5 degree south is called Antarctic Circle. I hope you understand this. And then North Pole 90 degree north and South Pole 90 degree south. So now come to another point. What is the total number of latitudes? You see, it's 0 degree and this is 90. So this part, the northern part having total 90 latitudes, and the southern part is also having total 90 latitudes. The total number of latitudes is 90 plus 90. It means all the latitudes, all the imaginary lines which are present on a globe are 180 in total number. So the total latitudes present on the globe are 180 in number. I hope that you understand all this content and it will become very easy for you to learn. In my next video, I will explain about the longitudes, which are the lines that joins pole to pole, north pole to south. Thank you so much. Stay with me. Wait for the next video, and I hope that SST will become very enjoyable and comfortable for you with Sharif Sarki SST class. Thank you so much.